Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming which device and operating system you use today. Check Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac OS settings before proceeding to method selection. Make sure you have physical access to the device and its Google or Apple account info. If you lack account credentials, prepare proof of ownership for recovery steps. Enable a secondary device or email for codes and reset links. Keep your device charged above 20% to avoid interruptions during recovery. These steps prevent lockouts and speed up the PIN retrieval process. On Android, open Settings, then Security, then Screen Lock to view options available. If you use a PIN, you cannot view it directly from Settings for security. Use your Google account recovery to reset the PIN after verifying identity with security codes. For iPhone, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. Apple does not show your current PIN either, so use Apple ID recovery when locked out. For Windows, visit Settings, Accounts, Sign-in options to change PIN with Microsoft Account Verification. Always back up your data before performing a full device reset or factory restore. Use two-factor authentication with a secondary device or email for faster PIN recovery. Write recovery codes down and store them in a secure place like a safe or password manager. If you need professional support, contact the device manufacturer or authorized service center directly. Prepare proof of purchase, serial number, and identification to speed support verification. After recovery, choose a PIN at least 6 digits or a strong alphanumeric passphrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.